guys, so I haven't been on in a while, just gonna do the unboxing of a wee portable light, rechargeable portable light I picked up in B&Q. It was only 10 quid, so let me look at it. So far seems pretty good, but haven't even charged it yet, obviously. Seems pretty good. Has a wee hook, so you can hook it on, and it's actually very bright. I probably shouldn't have switched it on before charging it, but so it charges from the van or car, the cigarette lighter, or you can plug it in and charge it up. So it's packed up very tight. So yeah, it's a handy wee charger, and obviously for van too. So the reason I got the light is two reasons really. It's going to be handy for the winter in the back of the van, because the back of the van has no light and it's going to be very dark in the winter, so anytime it's dark, night time, whatever, I should be able to see all the tools very easy what I need with that bad boy. And also I can use it on the job too for wee small cupboard rooms, or wee bathrooms. It might just be handier than setting up a box light with the big heavy transformer. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and hit the like button, subscribe for more, and there's going to be a lot more videos coming up very soon. So thanks.